Welcome back. After basically almost disappearing, you could say, from the political scene for weeks, if not months, Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, in a sense, has reappeared. We saw them and we saw him shaking or fighting at the barricades with the police trying to enter Hathras in Uttar Pradesh over the horrific murder of the young woman there. And today, we saw him lead a sort of tractor yatra on the farm bill from Punjab, which is Congress ruled, into Haryana, which is BJP ruled, and there was a standoff at the border. Let's watch. All right, so Rahul Gandhi there facing off with the police. Let's just open up the debate. We have with us Yogendra Yadav, National President Swaraj India, who's joining us. He's actually there with the farmers, and also Gaurav Vallabh of the Congress is with us. Prateek Som, spokesperson of the JJP, which is Dushyant Chautala's party in Haryana, is with us, and Paramband Singh Romana, National President, Youth Akali Dal and spokesperson of the Akali Dal, is with us. Yogendra, let me just go across to you. You are, from what I understand, I can see behind you, you are in Sirsa in Haryana. This is the sort of the bastion of Dushyant Chautala, Deputy Chief Minister, ally of the BJP. And you have been camping there with the farmers to demand what? That he resign or he take a position on the farm bill?
Yes, Vasu. Basically, the farmers from all over Haryana gathered today here in Sirsa to demand resignation of the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Dushyant Chautala, who is from JJP, saying that you claim the legacy of farmers. You are the great-grandson of Chaudhry Devilal. And despite that, you are the only political party which is actually supporting these bills outside the BJP party that claims to be from farmers. That's why the farmers asked them some very hard questions. 2 days ago, Dushyant Chautala had said, yes, if the farmers come, we'll welcome them. But yesterday, once he heard that thousands of farmers were coming, and we gave a list of 10 very hard questions to them to answer, I'm told Mr. Dushyant Chautala left Sirsa yesterday. I'm told today he has declared that he has corona. So all my best wishes for him.
Of course,
but these
yes.
questions remain, and farmers have said that they are camping here despite an attempt to sabotage the movement, despite attempts by people to come and create violence.
Okay.
Farmers have conquered it, and farmers are staying put. I'm with them right now in the job.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you one thing, though, that it's interesting that in Punjab, the heat on all political parties was so great that the Akalis had to leave the NDA and take the side supposedly of the farmers. But in Haryana, Dushyant Chautala is still hanging in there.
Remember, Vasu, it happened after 17 days of continuous dharna outside Prakash Singh Badal's house. And in Sirsa, it has begun only today. This is the first day.
Okay.
But I can tell you from the mood of the farmers, the mood of Haryana farmers is quite clear, that Punjab farmers have taken the first wicket, and the second wicket has to be now taken by Haryana farmers. That's clearly the mood. The questions they're asking is very harsh. I'm sitting here with a friend whose father used to work with Chaudhry Devilal very closely.
Okay.
And he was just telling me how disappointed he is that these people have taken to the kind of politics that they have. And this is what I hear from all farmers. Utter disappointment, anger, frustration. And mind you, none of them is from any of these political parties.
Okay. How would you respond to that, Prateek Som, spokesperson of the JJP, that one wicket down of the Akalis, next is going to be Dushyant Chautala, if this pressure keeps building up?
See, we understand the clear political aspirations of opposition, which also somehow includes Mr. Yogendra Yadav. See, resigning of Dushyant Chautala from the government of Haryana will not, suffice to the problems of farmers. See, we have to understand since independence, we have been a agriculture-driven economy. We have seen that, we have always heard of farm distress, but all the middlemen have always prospered. The stockists, the middlemen, the artis, the money lenders.
So
Now,
you're
this
saying
is
the
the
bill is
move.
going to get rid of them. That's, I mean, that has
Yeah,
been the
let
position.
me complete. I'll clear the position on
And
this.
that is the position you're taking. That's the government position.
Yes,
You
absolutely.
continue to take that position.
Yes, we have thoroughly read the bill. We understand that this bill is really empowering the farmer. It is giving him option of the
Okay.
old practices plus.
No,
plus
I'll
it
come
is
to the
giving
merits
them
of the
option
bill in a
selling
second.
it
This is
at
right
a
now,
farm
we are
gate.
on the political question. I'll come to the merits of the bill in a second.
Yeah.
But let me just ask you this. You could turn around and say, okay, Yogendra Yadav, etc., might be speaking from a political platform. But farmers also are protesting in Haryana, are they not? And in Punjab and other parts.
See, yes.
So are
there
they
was
all
one
wrong?
apprehension of see, Srinivas, there was one apprehension of farmers regarding the MSP, and we also thought that if MSP is removed, then this is a problem for a farmer because then old system will get dismantled. This has been very well taken up by my leader Dushyant Chautala, and it is after that it has been tweeted by Honorable Prime Minister
Right.
that MSP will not be removed. There should not be
Okay,
any
I'll come back to
apprehension
that
on this.
MSP not being removed question. We've also done a lot of work on it. But before that, Gaurav Vallabh, Rahul Gandhi driving his tractor into Haryana, all of that, fine, you could call it theatrics, you could call it, a big political moment for him. But Gaurav Vallabh, just see the difference. Is it largely that you're only able to generate that traction in Punjab, in one state? The moment you go into Haryana, it fizzles out.
Srinivas, if your reporters are there, in Haryana also the same traction is there, and not only in Punjab and Haryana. If you have reports from southern states like Karnataka, states like Tamil Nadu, states like Maharashtra, everywhere farmers are asking, where is our MSP? Why you want to
bypass the agriculture procurement system? Because neither you can assure them MSP. The gentleman from JJP is saying that Prime Minister tweeted about MSP. I can show at least 100 tweets of Prime Minister, which was altogether, unfortunately I'm saying, which was altogether false, lies. Like 2 crore jobs a year, 15 lakh in each account, 100 smart cities. Where are these things?
Yeah.
So, nobody believes in Prime Minister tweets. Everybody wants that there should be a law, written in a law, that no food friend, whomsoever is there.
Okay,
how
but
much
as far
clothes
as-
is there with the Prime Minister, he can't purchase the produce and for anything less than MSP. This is required.
No,
in
that's
the,
fine.
Law.
That's fine. The
And
debate on the
that-
bill I'll come to, but as far as my question is concerned, Rahul Gandhi now has jumped in and riding a tractor and all that. You've seen the criticism of this, that it may be all very well, but is this a flash in the pan? He turns up in Hathras, he turns up at Haryana, Punjab, and that's it. Then he's again going to disappear for 3 or 6 months.
Srinivas, in the entire country, who is raising the voice? Whether it is the Chinese aggression, whether it is the gang rapes in Hathras, whether it is the
No, but
issues of
tweeting is
farmers,
different.
it is
Gaurav
only-
Vallabh, tweeting is different. He has only now come on the field, na? That is the point.
So, see, there is a proper strategy and plan. It has to be executed. It's not that any time, any issue. This is an important issue. When we fought about this issue in the parliament, our 7 members of parliament were rusticated, were suspended from the house because they want the division of votes.
Okay, Paramban Singh.
Everywhere we are raising.
Okay,
this issue.
Paramban
Last
Singh
point.
Romana.
Srinivas, one
No,
line,
let
one
me
line.
come back to you.
No,
Gaurav.
Last sentence.
Let me
Last
come back to
sentence.
you.
I
Paramban
said-
Singh Romana, do you feel nervous that now Rahul Gandhi, I mean, first Amrinder Singh spearheads this, Punjab, you have to resign, but after that, now Rahul Gandhi is spearheading this movement?
Are you serious when you are asking that question?
I'm
That
asking a
Rahul
question.
Gandhi's yatra makes
You're
us-
free to answer.
That Rahul Gandhi's yatra would make us nervous. Before I answer your question, I just wanted to make a small point. Because before this, it was said that the heat faced by the Akali Dal made us take this stance and we resigned and we left the NDA.
Yes.
Let me make one thing very clear, that it was not a question of any heat or pressure. It was the core principles on which this party has been founded. It is a Kisani party. It is a party which has a rural base.
No, but
and the dharnas. Just give me a second.
No, I have to push back against this because we have got the videos. We have got the videos of Harsimrat Kaur where she was speaking in support of this bill.
I'm coming to that.
It was Facebook videos. You've seen it yourself, I'm sure.
I will answer all that. The dharnas that Mr. Yadav was talking about, that there was a dharna outside in Badal for 15 days.
Yes.
That was those dharnas were happening everywhere in the state. It was outside Patiala also, outside Captain Amrinder Singh's house also.
Yes.
And if you're talking about us speaking in favor of the bill,
yes,
but you're missing one statement. Right from day one, our party president, Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal, you can take out the statement of the first day.
Yes.
After talking about the bills, the statement that he made was that while bringing the bills to Parliament, if the sentiments and the wishes of the Kisan or the farmer are not incorporated, we will leave government. For us, the government or the alliance or the ministry is not important. What is important for us is that we have to stand with the Kisan.
Okay, so but the videos of Harsimrat ji was very different. She was basically speaking in support of the bill and she was saying opposition is trying to mislead you. She was completely speaking the government line. But anyway, I'll come back to that in a second. Let me just go to Yogendra. Yogendra, what do you make of this political party?
Can I make a short answer to that? Can I make a short answer to that? Those videos were different because Harsimrat ji was part of the union cabinet and the party's stance was articulated by Sukhbir Singh Badal. He was the president of the party. So the party's stance is very clear.
That Romana ji, with all respect, is a very big deflection. She has been saying that she raised objections in the cabinet, being in the cabinet. So now how can she say that her statements are outside the cabinet? Anyway, Yogendra, do you see this now, because unless political parties feel the pressure, we don't want to make it political, but if it is going to be political, if these parties are feeling the farmers' heat and they're forced to, even if they weren't earlier, now come out and support, are you seeing this as genuine support or is this just purely just, because of their anxiety?
Look, it doesn't matter. Everyone in the world knows that Akalis came out kicking and screaming from the cabinet, that they were dragged out. They did not come out of willing. And I'm sure after 2 weeks, we could hear the same from JJP. Oh, earlier we were saying because we were part of the Haryana government, now we are speaking the truth. So you can hear something like this. I have a simple question for my friend from JJP. If these 3 laws were so good, my friend, why did your party ever ask about this? Did it ever figure, this demand ever figured in any of your manifesto, any of your document ever? Or did you not know what the farmer's interest was? And secondly, on MSP, your leader says Dana Kisano ko milega. If I produce evidence that in Haryana, farmers are not getting MSP, will your leader resign? Answer these questions.
Would you like to respond, Prateek Som?
Yes, absolutely.
Why did you ever ask for these? Did you ever ask for these changes if they are so amazing?
See, I'll tell you. First point: if the opposition have a real dissent over the bills, they should have really protested at the floor of the house. Their leaders
I'm asking
were missing,
a different question.
They were vacationing. They were not.
No. The question is different.
They were not at the floor of the house.
No. This is a Prateek Som, you're deflecting. The question is simple. If these bills are so amazing, were they ever part of the JJP's manifesto or demand? That's all.
See, I tell you, because it is a union subject, we were fighting for the state elections when this party was formed, and we were a new party.
Sir, APMC Act is not a union subject.
We have focused on the MSP. Now,
sir, APMC Act comes under you.
Mr. Yogendra Yadav is there. Can they deny that these all things were not there in their manifesto in their 2019 elections? They let them deny this on record. Now, third thing, they are protesting.
You're not answering the question.
They
but
saying that
anyway.
they have not been allowed in coming in Haryana. They know that these are pandemic times and they are not following any protocol of social distancing and all other safety protocols which is to be followed. Leaders are getting COVID positive. Even now I am talking, I am also COVID positive. My leader Dushyant Chautala is also reported to be COVID positive.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Understanding.
I'm sorry to hear that, Prateek Som. I hope we're not stressing you out by having you on the show
have not really
with COVID.
Read the act. I'm very sure. Otherwise, these kind of protest is not required. If at all required.
Okay, Prateek Som. I think I'm very sorry to hear that you have COVID. As we are sorry that Dushyant Chautala has COVID, but I think it's unfair to link, the protests to that. I mean, different ways in which people can get the virus. But I certainly hope everyone, protesters, Yogendra, all of you are taking care. I see a lot of you sitting very close by. I hope you will take care and, masks and all that. But we'll have to leave it there. Very interestingly poised, this story. Thank you all so much for joining us, and thank you for watching Reality Check. Good night.